Preparing for the Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals DP-900 certification requires more than memorization. It requires clear conceptual understanding. In today's session, we'll focus specifically on working with non-relational data on Azure, one of the key domains tested in DP-900 exam questions. If you're beginning your journey with data in the cloud and want clarity on when to choose Blob Storage, Cosmos DB, or other NoSQL solutions, this video is designed for you. Let's begin with the fundamentals. Let's test your knowledge with real DP-900 exam questions. Question 1. Which Azure service is best suited for storing large amounts of unstructured data, such as images and videos? A. Azure SQL Database. B. Azure Blob Storage. C. Azure Table Storage. D. Azure Synapse Analytics. Pause and think. The correct answer is B. Azure Blob Storage. It is designed specifically for massive amounts of unstructured data like media files and logs. Azure SQL is relational. Table storage is NoSQL, but for key-value pairs, not large files. Synapse is for analytics, not raw storage. Question 2. Which Azure service provides globally distributed, multi-model NoSQL database capabilities? A. Azure SQL Managed Instance. B. Azure Database for PostgreSQL. C. Azure Cosmos DB. D. Azure Data Factory. Think before scrolling. The correct answer is C. Azure Cosmos DB. It's Microsoft's fully managed NoSQL database supporting multiple APIs like SQL and MongoDB. Remember, global distribution and multi-model APIs are the key keywords for Cosmos DB in the DP-900 exam. If you're serious about the exam, I recommend Certs Hero practice questions. Practicing real questions alongside official docs is the best strategy. Question 3. You need a NoSQL solution that stores JSON documents with flexible schema. Which service should you choose? A. Azure SQL Database. B. Azure Cosmos DB, Core SQL API. C. Azure Data Lake Storage. D. Azure Analysis Services. Pause here. Correct answer, B. Azure Cosmos DB. It stores JSON and allows the schema flexibility that non-relational databases are known for. Question 4. When choosing between relational and non-relational databases, which factor most strongly supports selecting a NoSQL solution? A. Strict ACID transactions. B. Fixed schema requirements. C. Rapidly changing data structure. D. Complex join operations. Think carefully. Correct answer, C. NoSQL is ideal when your data model evolves frequently. ACID and fixed schemas are traits of relational systems. Let's quickly recap. We covered when to use Azure Blob Storage for unstructured data and when to choose Azure Cosmos DB for globally distributed NoSQL workloads. These decision points for selecting non-relational databases are essential for passing the Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals DP-900 certification. In upcoming videos, we'll continue covering additional DP-900 Azure Data Fundamentals topics to ensure complete exam readiness. If this session added value to your preparation, please like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for structured certification guidance. As you continue preparing, make sure to strengthen your confidence with high-quality DP-900 exam questions from Certs Hero. Consistent practice is key. Consistent practice is what turns knowledge into exam success. I'll see you in the next session.